Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting crafting video. So let's see what we are going to create in today's crafting video. So here first of all I'm going to draw a beautiful butterfly like this, and now I'm going to color the wings with blue and pink color. Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I'm drawing bumblebees like this. I'm coloring it. Now let's make its wings beautiful. Now let's proceed to the next drawing, which is a cute puppy. So now I'm going to color this puppy with brown color. Now let's see what we are going to draw using numbers. So here I'm going to draw birds using number 2 like this. See, it's very easy. Now here I'm going to draw a flying pigeon. Wonderful. Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So this is a sheep which I'm going to draw. Draw the body like this and it is done. See how simple it is? All you need marker, or if you have pencil then you can draw with the pencil and color pens, and that's it. Now let's proceed to the next drawing, which is a cute bunny holding a carrot like this. Now color this bunny like this. Now I'm going to color the carrot. Now let's proceed to the next drawing. For this, I have used numbers 2, 0 and 0, and it is a cute cat, a sleeping cat like this, and it is done. Now let's proceed to the next drawing. For this, I have used number 3 and number 4, and here I'm going to draw a crane. Now color it. Now let's proceed to the next drawing. For this, you can use circles, semicircles, and then this bear is ready. Now color this bear using brown color. Now let's see what we are going to draw this time. Okay, these are the hair. Now I'm going to draw eyes, nose, and a happy face. And this beautiful drawing of girl is done. See how beautiful